Good morning, everyone. My name is Kirtiraj Singh, and I'm a student of IIT Guwahati's online Bachelor of Science honors in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science program. I'm a student of third year, and currently I'm in my ninth trimester. So today I'm presenting you my term project for the ninth trimester, known as Probation First 100. It's an AI based fitness and lifestyle planner using a generative AI. So here is the name, Probation First 100. So the name comes from which I believe as a fitness freak. So I believe the most important days of your fitness journey are the first 100 days. If you understand your body, and if you get a result in first 100 days, so next other days are very easy for you. So from there I built an AI based system known as Probation First 100. So now we talk about that, why do we need to create these kinds of a system when there are so many fitness app, tracking and health apps are there. So the most common problem with all the fitness and all these app are there, a rigid system. If you enter a data, so mostly the output is fixed, and you cannot customize data according to your diet, your specific, like you live in Jaipur, you live in Kashmir, or you live in south of India, or in Guwahati. So everywhere the weather is different, humidity is different, so everything is different. So I need to build an website or an app which is highly customizable, and it give very personalized specific data according to the user. So the working of the app, we talk about the working of the app. So there are three main pillar of the app. So the first pillar is the face. So we use Streamlit by Python to design it a front end where the user interact with, fill all the options. We take input from the user. So based on those input input goes to the brain, which is a Gemini 2.0. So we use Gemini's LLM engine that processes a users data and give us the result. So we take the result and we put the result in FPDF and a matplotlib to create some a pie chart, and to give a well organized, personalized a PDF to every user. So the main thing is that our data is dynamic. So mostly all those like I told you, uses a traditional predictive AI. So they required a lots of data set. So in our our data we use Gemini's live context. So we don't are required all those pre-trained. So we put the data, and with the help of Gemini 2.0, we get live answers directly from our data, and we use a zero shot control so that our Gemini don't hallucinate and disturb our data. Next is that the main thing which with the free APIs and the APIs we use it, that it's rate limit, and it can crash many times. So to prevent this, we use like a rate limit, and to prevent all these error, we use the a fallback engine. So in which we try to prevent Gemini's crashes. Okay, then then at the last, with the help of all these, we generate a high speed PDF Okay, so now I show you the project. So it's the main home screen, where the users sees this home screen. So first, like, we fill the name, then we fill the age, then like my weight is 90 kg something, so we put 90 kg, and then the height is, my height is 174. Okay, so my daily steps are around 8,000, so I put 8,000. So now I want to, what do I want to do? So I want to build a running stamina also, and my main goal is fat loss and body composition. Then my diet, that I eat I eat no beef and no pork, other meats I eat. And then my lifestyle is like heavy online coursework and screen time lifestyle. So we have also a tab also, where we can put our customized problem also, like I feel low every day. So now, then we enter. Then most apps, which the problem is that they take the input and they give you a rigid output. So what I'm trying to do is to make a secondary, a window between input and output, in which the input you give, it processes the input and try to ask you some personalized question according to your input, so you can give more educate about yourself to the model, and the model can give you more personalized chart and more personalized order to work. So like, you can see that what is your primary upper body pushing bank what is your currently comfortable running distance. So in this I have put that I want to build a running for 5 to 10 kilometers. So to create my chart, it's very important to ask that how much I am running and how much I can run today. So based on that, it will give you a 100 days chart, so to improve your physical fitness. Second is, it it's ask about your any injuries, because the most important thing in fitness is injury. So if you have any injury, it will give you specific exercise according to all those injury, and so you can prevent more injuries, and your old existing injury can be re-healed. Then then the sleep is also very important. So based on your sleep, it will guide you more that how much time you should sleep, ठीक है ना, how you could recover another. Then it asks, then after all you give all this, and you, then this is type of output it will give you. It will give you a 5-page output. So the main thing, the 5 page which I want from this output is to educate the a user also, because most of the users don't know anything about nutrition, diet, exercise. So first thing is like, you are a probie. So when you take 100 days challenge, so we treat you like a probie, that it's a day one and you are just a probie. So the main thing which we need to take care is our calories. So our calories are not rigid, so we try to make it as beautiful or as matlab eye catching as we can. So here are the calories, protein, carb. Here is a pie chart also. So it gives you some more suggestions also. Then it's your nutrition, so we try to give all those are different options, alternative also, and their estimated calories, their protein, carbs, so you can hit all these goals, so you don't have to calculate on your own. Then these are all the food and snacks option. Then here are the exercises, all day exercises. Okay, how much time to recover, how many exercises, there are so many exercises you can do, alternative also. Okay, then it's your running 100 days endurance, because running and cardiovascular endurance is also very very important for your physical transformation. So here is the endurance. Then here is the roadmap, because the journey is not easy, you face many challenges, problems. So for those, we give you a roadmap and all those problems which can came, and with a good code which help you to be more disciplined and more consistent. So these are the final output, like a 5-page PDF manual which teaches you. And then the thing is the future scope. So in future, we can integrate live variable data, like with Samsung watch, Apple watch, with Garmin, Fitbit. So we can take all those users heart rate data, a personalized ECG, so we can track how much calories burned, are there on their goal, or they are doing correctly, like in heart rate zones they are doing zone 2 training, zone 3 another also. And we can scale this also with these companies to make a ecosystem, like to track every day, to give you a personalized data, to give you personalized insight. Okay now, so you can train well and become